What's up, guys? Fit to Flourish, and in this video I'm going to be talking about comparing your body to a car, right? So our bodies are similar and different from cars at the same time. It's going to be a super short video, but essentially this analogy is a pretty good analogy in order to kind of bring everyone back towards growing yourself and realizing how cool, how wonderful your bodies really are, because they operate as machines just like cars do. Okay, you need to maintenance them, take care of them, etc., etc. The only difference here is that our bodies can, our bodies are like transformers in terms of like cars, right? Because you can have, your body can be like a Honda, 2000 Honda Accord, where it's like beat up, old and messed up, but then as soon as you start to feed it that premium gas, it can turn into a Lamborghini. But a real car can't do that. A real car can't do that. So our bodies are really cool machines in that sense, where you take care of it, then you can pretty much for free, literally for free, turn a Honda Accord into a Lamborghini. And that's in the sense of like physical, spiritual, financial, all that good stuff, right? But really we're talking about the physical part. As long as you feed yourself in a caloric deficit, right? Eat less calories than you're currently eating, eat some good stuff, eat some protein, take yourself out on these nice, beautiful walks, take care of your body, and it can turn into a Lamborghini. Okay, so at first, like, I made a video on how I used to be 210 pounds, and I did play football, right? So I was like muscle, and then all of a sudden I got into the real world, and all the muscle like turned into fat because I wasn't playing football anymore. I wasn't working out. I was just stressed all the time, not making time for myself, right? So I turned into 210 pounds of fat, and within 3 months, with the help of Luther V Fitness, my little brother, I got down to 167 in 3 months, right? From 210 to 167, solid muscle, really best shape of my life, right? And that was really just by taking care of myself. And what you learn is, like, at first, it's similar to again, driving a car, right? At first, if you get a Honda Accord, nobody really gets so excited about it, right? It's a car. It's going to get you from point A to point B, right? So if you're out of shape, yeah, you might be able to still go to work. You might be able to get up and watch TV. You can do some basic things, right? That's a Honda Accord. But once you take care of yourself and upgrade yourself, right? And you can do this for free. It's not the same cost as like a Honda Accord. Maybe you pay $1,000 for that car, and then a Lamborghini, you're paying hundreds of times more, right? You're paying $300,000 to $600,000 for a really cool Lamborghini. Well, with your body, you do it for free. And at first, you could do the basics, but then once you get into the best shape of your life, it literally transforms everything. So for me, what that looked like was the dating game is different, right? Everyone's gonna notice you business-wise. People are gonna listen to you because you're in shape. They're gonna want to listen to you. In terms of what can you do? You can run. I can run, right? I'm not stagnant. I'm in great shape. Okay, I can take my shirt off when I go to the pool, when I go to the beach. Again, like, people are gonna want to be around me. I have energy, right? All of these really cool specs and features come with getting in the best shape of your life, right? Really taking care of your body. Okay, many people wouldn't want to really take care of a Honda Accord. Okay, I'm speaking for most people. Some people want a 2000 Honda Accord. Okay, whatever. But oh yeah, this light is hitting. But essentially, what I'm saying here is, like a Lamborghini, people want to take care of their Lamborghini. People treasure their Lamborghini. They put it in the garage, right? They wash it all the time, but only by the best washers, the best detailers that they see online, right? They're not gonna go to some standard car wash and let those machines do it for $20. They're gonna go pay someone $300 to detail their Lamborghini. And just as picky as you are about taking care of your Lamborghini, right? You're parking it away from all the cheap cars. You're taking it to the best detailers. You're making sure that the gas is always full, the oil's changed. The same way you take care of your object, your Lamborghini, is the same way you should be taking care of your body. That's why I compare us to cars, because I mean, essentially, cars are man-made, they're machines, so we can only make what we understand, so they function as humans would, right? But that's a conversation for a different day. But essentially, take care of yourself like you would a Lamborghini. Your body is a Lamborghini, right? Take yourself to the best restaurants, okay? Don't stop by some fast food, right? McDonald's or Burger King, Wendy's, like these processed fake food things. Eating Pop-Tarts out of a cardboard box, it's disgusting, all right? That's disgusting. Would you take your Lamborghini to a mechanical car wash? No. You're going to go online, you're going to look for the best detailers in the area, and you're going to have that person come out, and you'll pay the extra to take care of it. And our bodies are the same way, but our bodies are priceless. You get one life. You can, like cars, you can have millions and millions of Lamborghinis. Those are replaceable, but you have one life. So take care of your vehicle, the vehicle that you're operating in right now, all right? You get one life. Do it right. You don't want to be burning it out and then all of a sudden when the car is no longer functions, you're like, oh, well, let me get the oil change. And then the mechanic says, hey, your car is dead, man. Battery's dead, everything's dead. You burnt out all the mechanics because you never refueled it with oil. That's what you're doing with your body. You're burning yourself out, getting fat. All of a sudden, you get high cholesterol, your arteries are clogged. And then you're like, okay, well, I'm ready to clean it up now. The warning light's on my body. And the doctor's like, well, no, I'm sorry. You're going to have to be on a blood thinner medication for the rest of your life. Okay. And you're like, no, I'm good. I'll take care of myself. They're like, well, it's too late, buddy. It's too late. Your car's done, buddy. Your car's done. You probably need a transplant at this point. All right. So essentially, like I said, take care of your body like it's an expensive car. And our bodies are different because they basically can function as either or. And it's just based on the way that you treat it. You can be a Honda Accord or you can be a Lamborghini. You park away from the ordinary cars. All right. People turn their heads to look at you. They're like, oh my gosh, body is T, right? Body is T. This girl said that to me the other day. She was like, body T. But take care of yourself like an expensive vehicle.